presenting the Ram 2019 1500 Classic Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper, bright grille wheels, 17 inches x 7 aluminum bright front bumper, popular equipment group included, rear floor mats, front floor mats, carpet floor covering, remote keyless entry with all secure, diesel gray black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, protection group included, transfer case, skid plate, shield, front suspension, skid plate, tow hooks, gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds, power black trailer tow mirrors included, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, exterior mirrors courtesy lamps, trailer tow mirrors, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, remote keyless entry with all secure and XM satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service, no satellite coverage with AKHI. For more info call 800